Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wait, is my microphone on? Soon! Wait, guys. That's crazy. Bro, we could have made it to the end. Well, no! Oh, what the hell? Bro, we could have made it to the end. Wait for me, you guys. Nope. Wait. That was not fair. Just get on. Nom nom cupcake worm. Nom nom cupcake worm. Oof. Let's go down, I guess. Three, two, one, let's go! Whee! Oh, damn! Whoa, in the cave now. Whoa. Ah! This is so fun. Wait, I might not talk, but I'll just let this let you see what I see on the screen. Yeah, I'll just let you see it. Whew. Hey, where are we going? Where are we going, man? Bro, someone got off. 2 people got off. Come back on, guys. It will eventually flip us over. No, not this way, not this way. Bye-bye. Mr. Gabriel. Bro, why did they do love hearts? And ha 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 ha. Ah! Oh, ah! Ah! Wee! We're in the desert with all the pyramids. Oh, what? Look at that big tower. Bro, look at that big tower. It's so cool. Oh, we're almost at it. At it. But yeah. We just have to climb up this big thingy. This big thing. And yeah. Then we're on the happy birthday, dude. Then we're on the blue thing. And then we finished. We finish after that, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Look, there's a raft by herself. Haha. Why is it shaking? Look. Wait, this is more fun in first. It's more fun in first person. I'm pretty sure. I think. Wee. Hello there. Whoa. Sun baby. Whoa. Wee. Ow. Why did it just turn dark and now it's light? Bro, it turned dark and now it's light. Huh, that's cool. Wee! Ah! Bro, for some reason you can only like go forward on this part. Not because you fall off if you go other ways.
Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Whoa! What the hell? Bro, we just got flung. Oh. Get out of. Okay, good. Whee! Wait, go. Already. Wait, look at this, guys. Big. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Okay. I might go, guys. No. I don't want to miss it because you have to jump at one part. Wait, what, already? Oh, that's probably where he is. Right there. I'll just jump when Winston and Bubbles jump. Well, Winston, not Winston. Bro, go this way. Yeah. Can't believe she's controlling it. Like, I think she's just letting it go by itself. But no, she's controlling it. Because it can't go by itself. And look, she just stopped. It's taking forever. Because when people control it, it takes forever. Wow, that's fast. That's super fast. Let's see. Ooh. We're flying up in a car. I'm about to jump out. It's my intrusive thoughts, but I'm not going to do it. Because I'm not dumb. Bro. Yeah, oh. That just flips you. That red thing just flips you. Happy birthday. I wish you could just like go over there and then get to it. I think you can actually.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ooh,
Happy birthday.
getting out. Gameplay paused. Bro, she does not know what she's doing. She's not even moving. She is. Never mind. A bomb and a beam on a bear. It's like, no. I hate that song. Then why am I singing it? I don't know. Why am I singing it if I hate it? I don't know why I am. Guys, you know my other channel? Yeah, you should look at it. It only has 8 subscribers. The dear, that girl, whoever she is, but yeah, it's still good. The Krusty Krab, talking orange. Let's go. Freddy Fazbear. Hell no. What is that? What is this? It's a face. A girl with no like fatness in the body or something. I don't know. Anyway, just keep going straight in this part and it turns by itself. That's what I done. That's at least what I done. And then with the blue part I went straight. Yeah. We don't care, Mr. Dude. Bruh! Think we might be cooked here. You know, I'm gonna control it from now on. Woohoo! Okay, yeah, she just left. Bro, just because she didn't want to control it anymore? Bro. Let me do this, okay, dude? Yes. Ding! Let's go this way! Ah! Whee! Woohoo! Oh, damn. Wait. It's going to flip anyway. Yes, let's go. Get up. Go. Jump. just kills you. I'll jump whenever Winston jumps, then. Ooh. Ooh, what? Aww. Bro, I didn't even get to the end. We didn't even get to the end. We were so close. Anyway, let's do this again. Bro, one of the boats is following us. Whee! Wait, we're going way quicker. I was quicker than this. No, about the same speed. Oh, damn. They're stuck. Exquisite. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Reach the stars. Hey, fly up into sea. Kate Dermator. No! Don't go the other way. It's a sun baby from Teletubbies. Where is he? Bro, guys, where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, sun baby! From Squid Game. That's from Squid Game. There we go. Now we would just wait. Nah, Pikachu strangling her. Oh my god. Anyway. La 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 la. No. I'm Winky Tinky. I'm a Teletubby. I'm a Teletubby. Tubby Telly. Winky Tinky. Ah! Where is he? We're inside of him. No, he ate us. Oh no, I think we get pooed out or something. No, we just get shot out of his butt, his bum. Look, there it is, right there. Wait, they could do it for us. Okay, be silent. Yay. Come on. If you press that button, it just does something. Oh, it does that. It lets you go, but it says, Bro, I should have said yes. Bro, they chose something different. Oh, yes. Okay. If I don't make this round, then I'm not playing anymore. I might not play. I might still play. Or maybe not. I need to charge this anyway. It's on charge, but like, yeah. Oh, hell no. Stop moving, man. Go, go, go. Don't you dare shoot at us. Phew, we're out of his sight. Phew. Wee-hoo! No! Bro, now I know how to do it, but bye.